show you a new version of ProRes Patcher version 0.40, and let's start with metadata editor. So you see there are two items added. The first one is mastering display color volume and the second one is color light level. Both of those items are mandatory for the HDR streams, but unfortunately not actually all maxers add them. So you can do it with ProRes Patcher, and let's open MP4 file. As you see, now we can open for edit an MP4 file. So this one has no free space at all. So we move headers to the end, and now we can add these two items, the color lighting. You can type any value you prefer, but let's stick with default. And you can select one of those presets, and yeah, there is 6 of them, and most probably you won't need anything else in the near future, but if you will need, you can type any value you need here. So we added 2 items, time to press apply and check our file in the media info. So we opened, and now we see the mastering display color primaries are BT 2020, display luminance, basically the values we set. So we can try once again and set, for example, I don't know, DCI-P3 and press apply and check it in the media info once again. And you see now it's DCI-P3, so it works well. And once again, it's done for MP4 file, but you also can do it for MOV. I won't show it. Let's go to the next feature. And the next feature is file-to-file insert edit, but not the one I showed previously. But okay, here we go. We opened file. Let's set in point. I don't know. Let's say 455. And now, in previous version, you were limited to insert from file with identical resolution. So basically you could not insert HD to HD or vice versa, but now you can do it. As you see, now controls are unlocked. Now you can select rectangle source or target, it's up to your both. So I just doing simple test. I set some rectangle. Basically I select full HD frame, as we have frame full HD and now it's HD, so it's gonna be like picture in picture. We set in point, we set out point, it's 400 frames, right? Okay, let's do it. Okay, that's cool. And we press apply. Now it started. Yeah, it's kind of slow because a lot of calculations needed, but progress moving. And what is most interesting, while it's in progress, we can already check results in the QuickTime player, for example. So we opened and you see frame inserted, and we can press play and you see picture in picture already here. It works. And now it's disappeared just because playback a little bit faster than insert, right? And we don't have much resources to decode this frame, insert it here, encode back, so on, and also playback. But if we stick back and press play, you see more inserted already. We can do it once again, and you see how it works. Okay. Yeah, let's wait a little bit. Basically, you can select any size of rectangle. If the source frame is smaller than rectangle you selected, it will be inserted just the size of the source frame. And if the source frame is bigger, or source rectangle is bigger, or the destination rectangle, in that case, only it will be cropped to the smallest size. So we can open one more file, for example this one, and I don't know, let's say insert somewhere here, right? And probably right, set endpoint here, set endpoint here, and press apply. And now it's inserting once again. We can open it, yeah, it's kind of slow. We can open it in QuickTime once again, and you see 2 frames already inserted. We can play back and you see all 3 frames. So picture in picture basically was never that easy. This is how it works. Thanks guys.